Text-to-voice synthesis provided by Vidnami. All hands on deck. January 30, 2021 by Anna von Reitz. The 80 million cheated voters in this country are now waking up, if they weren't awake before. Any fool can look at this situation and conclude that something is wrong. Well, here's the something. Our actual government has been moth-balled for 160 years. We've been letting our foreign federal subcontractors, large privately owned, for-profit commercial corporations, run the show for us. Every time anyone cast a vote for a politician, they were unknowingly giving them their shareholder proxy to run a corporation we didn't even know existed. To paraphrase Pope Benedict XVI when the situation was explained to him, nobody told us. But now you are being told and enabled to act. Your states have been called into session. You now have 50 state assemblies that need your support and direct action. This is how you control your government and the means by which you lawfully control your employees. And it is already in motion. We are restoring our American government to full function after more than a century of dormancy. So here we are, engaged in doing what we always should have been doing, self-governance. As more and more people catch on to what that actually means, our state assemblies are suffering growing pains. Newbies are pouring in, and all of these people are in desperate need of orientation and education. Computer systems have to be reworked, email contacts expanded, recording capability expanded, research and program implementation expanded, outreach expanded, publications expanded, archive and reference accessibility expanded, peacekeeping forces expanded, judicial services expanded. I usually stay pretty silent and close to the vest about the needs we have, but we need your help, the help of everyone reading this, and not just Americans, either. For example, our land recording system is a vital lifeline for people throughout the world to be able to access an international land recording office. In case you hadn't noticed, the vermin are shutting down all the land recording offices, so that nothing but C jurisdiction, registry services, remain. As a result, you are being forestalled from taking the corrective action needed to regain your identity as something more than corporate chattel. Every week we get calls and letters and emails from foreign countries where the same corrupt corporate tricks were played. This is a worldwide problem, folks, and there is worldwide need for research into the particulars in each country. We can't hope to do it without help, and a lot of it. How can you help? Pray. Everyone can focus their goodwill and energetic good wishes on our endeavor to preserve the natural and unalienable rights of mankind. Use your skills. Everyone has skills that are needed. Are you a good communicator? Talk it up. Can you network people and groups together? Please, do. Are you a teacher? Teach. There's something for everyone to do. Vote with your donations. Every dollar is a vote for American traditional government, our government the way it is meant to be, not the way it has been in recent decades, and a vote against the New World Order. Vote with your buying power. Part of their scheme is to reduce our world economy to a company store environment, in which we are forced to be dependent on big box stores owned and operated by them. Every time you use open-source computer resources, you are voting against Bill Gates. Every time you buy locally, you are voting against Jeff Bezos and for keeping your local options open. So don't be lazy and don't be thoughtless. Every move you make, every dollar you spend, makes a difference, and so does every word you speak. Tell your friends and neighbors that there is a peaceful, lawful, already in place remedy and all it requires is their participation and support. Go to www.theamericanstatesassembly.net to learn more and connect. We realize that times are both scary and tight, but among the things we all need is a government dedicated to protecting us and our assets, and that is what your traditional land jurisdiction government does. PayPal is ivanovan@gmail.com. Other donations may be sent to Anna Maria Riesinger C.O. Box 520,994 Big Lake, Alaska, 99652.